Welcome to Scripting Cookbook, episode number 1, Stopping and Ending a Script. Because this is the first video in the cookbook series of Scripting DROD, let me explain a little the format I will be using for these videos. First of all, they're going to be very short, 1 to 3 minute stops, and they will present a solution to a specific problem. They will use a pre-made hold with pre-made scripts just to show exactly the specific part of the problem we want to explain. Now to get on the topic, stopping and ending a script. There are 2 ways to end the execution of your script. One is to wait for the script to end naturally, which we can see happen in this script here. If some condition happens, go to stop script, this line executes, and at this point the script ends. On the next visit to the room, the character will once again execute the same script. To present this, Before, if you want me to stop talking, step on the pressure plate. Okay, the script has ended, but once we leave the room and come again, the character is speaking once more. So there are basically 2 ways to achieve stopping of the script. The first way is to have a very simple script which just reaches its end naturally. If there were no loops here, no go-tos, nothing like that, after a few turns, maybe more, maybe less, the script would reach its natural end and it would stop. Now, if you want to speed this process a bit, the easiest way is to create a label at the very end of your script, like this. Give it a describing name, because it's very important, especially in larger scripts. We call this one stop script. And at the point in your script where you want the execution to stop, just use a go to and go to the label you have added at the end. Now, this is what you want to do if you want the script to start again on the next visit. If you want the script to end permanently, there's another way to do that. You have a special command called end. I know there is a different way to do this. This will not be covered in this video. In this video we'll cover only the command end. What end does is, first of all, it stops the execution of the script. So even though this line here is executed, nothing afterwards will be run. And the second thing it does, it marks the specific instance of the character in the game. It marks it so that it will never appear again. So if the end is called and you leave the room, come back, the character will not be here. Allow me to present this. Before, this character basically speaks the same thing. I'll just go away if you're such a meanie. And if you go out, come back, the character is not here. Now, if we do not execute, we do not allow the end line to be executed, we leave and we come back, the character is still alive. So, to reiterate, if you want to stop the execution of the script and have the character work on each next visit, place a label at the very end of the script and use goto. If you want the script to end permanently, never to appear again in the next visit in the room, use command end. And that will be all for stopping and ending a script, the first episode in Scripting Cookbook. If you have any suggestions for future videos in the series, please leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you next time!